Fáilte roimh go fáil mínis Gaeilge. Welcome back to Let's Learn Irish. Level A1 Topic Cuaig An Fhoghraíocht L leathan agus L caol. Focusing on Fhoghraíocht pronunciation. Broad L and Slender L. Lamúna an difríocht either an dá uam L leathan agus L caol. We'll be learning the difference between the two sounds broad L and slender L. Éist le fuaim nu na bhuíochas alanas. Listen to the pronunciation of the following words. You're going to hear a sound clip with the words. Prior to listening to it, I'll briefly go over the translations. Ladóg, tennis, telefiche, television, pel, football, éist le, listen to, caol, music, luan, Monday, pictureland, the cinema or theatre, movie theatre, airclan, theatre, clár, a program, and siúil, to walk.
Foghraíocht L.
Ladóg, telefiche, pel, éist le, caol, luan, pictureland, airclan, clár, siúil.
Foghraíocht L.
Ladóg, telefiche, pel, éist le, caol, luan, pictureland, airclan, clár, siúil.
As you listen to it one more time, éist le fuaim an L I gás gach focal. Listen to the pronunciation of the L in each word.
Foghraíocht L.
Ladóg, telefiche, pel, éist le, caol, luan, pictureland, airclan, clár, siúil.
Broad L and slender L, L leathan agus L caol. The broad L is made with the tip of the tongue pressed against the upper teeth, as in the following words: clán, for children, loan, for lunch. So it's more like an O sound. The slender N, the tongue is pressed against the gum behind the teeth, as in Colleen, a girl, or litríocht, literature. So it's like an O for a broad L and an O for a slender L. Now that is exaggerating it. It's a very subtle difference. For now, most importantly, be aware and be listening for the slender and broad sounds. And as you become more familiar, it will become easier, especially as you develop more vocabulary. Use the pronunciation section of teanglann.ie as a resource. All three Handouts are featured there if you're ever stuck on how to pronounce a word. Beg an bhuileog an Fhoghraíocht L leathan agus L caol uait an gníomhaíocht seo. You'll need a handout, pronunciation for L leathan and L caol for this activity. L leathan agus L caol. A. Lay amach na bhuíochas alanas os ord. Read the following words out loud. Scríomh L leathan nó L caol in aice leis na cinn chuí chomh maith. Write broad L or slender L beside each one as appropriate. Pause the recording as you complete the exercise. Fhoghraí L leathan agus L caol. Ladóg, caol. Telefiche, caol. Pel, caol, éist le, caol, caol, leathan, luan, leathan, picturelan, leathan, hourclan, leathan, clár, leathan, siúl, leathan. El leathan agus el caol B. An féidir leat smaoineamh An Fhoghraíocht le el leathan agus el caol. Are you able to think of any other words with broad L and slender L? Scríobh dhá hampla a laghad anseo. Write 2 examples at least here. So a laghad means at least. Lay amach the hamplaí, read out your examples. Brac síos el leathan agus el caol maidir le na hamplaí. Write down broad L or slender L with your examples. El leathan agus el caol C. Tá lista focal as béarla sa bhosca thaobhas. There's a list of words in English in the box below. Tá el leathan nó el caol in ngach ceannacha ach as Gaeilge. So in the Irish translation, there's either a broad L or slender L in each one of these words. Aistrig na focal go Gaeilge agus aber amach iad a chur béime an bhuaimnú ceart. So translate them to Irish and then say them out loud, putting an emphasis on the correct pronunciation. Shahid na focal, here are the words, and they're all words that you have been introduced to before. So pause the recording while you complete the activity. Agus an éis na Fhoghraíocht, focal, broad, Shomra folca, broad, Laurlan, the first L is slender, the second L is broad, Pel, slender, Skull, slender, Ceart galore, slender, Ismalum, slender, Caol, it's broad, Shepale, broad, Clon or Tailach, both L's are broad, Mila, slender, Holla, broad, Shomra cuddleta, broad, Leathan, slender, and Sampla, broad. Began bhuileog an Fhoghraíocht el leathan agus el caol cén L uait don gníomhaíocht seo. You'll need the handout, pronunciation, broad and slender L, which L for this activity. El leathan agus el caol, cén L. Caolítear animacal oranta sa Gaeilge, chun an iver alra a dhéanamh. So sometimes nouns are slenderized in Irish to create the plural version. Is é sin le rá go gcuirtear I isteach. That's to say they put in an I. Mar hampla, focal becomes focal. So focal is word, focal, words. Tá lista d'anamachal san uha agus san alra an milog. There's a list of nouns in the singular and the plural on the handout. Lay amach na samplaí seo alanas a chur béime an el leathan agus an el caol. So read out the examples that follow, putting the emphasis on the broad L or the slender L. Cur circle timple an Fhoghraíocht ceart, uha no alra, do gach ceannacha sa spás cuí hias. Put a circle around the answer, the correct answer, singular or plural, on each one of them. Agus an éis na Fhoghraíocht. Shepale, alra, plural. Focal, alra, plural. Bujail, alra, plural. Bail, alra, plural. Baul, uha, singular. And Shepale is a church, churches. Focal, words. Bujail, bottles. Bail, mouths. Baul, a member. Tirpal, Alra, circles, Focal, Uha, word, Ospidale, Alra, for hospitals, Baal, Uha, singular, for mouth, Levail, level, Uha, singular. Éisteacht cuid bí. Éist go cuaireamach an taim seo leis na fuaimeanna L in Abertí. And now listen to part B of the sound file carefully for the pronunciation of L in sentences.
Cuid bí.
Imrim leadóg. Fécham a telefís. Imrim pel. Éistim le caol. Taim go dtí an fictorlan. Taim go dtí an áirclan. Taim ag siúl. Is mailam an clár sin.
Éisteacht cuid bí. Déan iarracht an Aibreath rá an uair seo, so this time make an effort to repeat the sentence after them.
Cuid bí.
Imrim leadóg. Fécham a telefís. Imrim pel. Éistim le caol. Taim go dtí an fictorlan. Taim go dtí an áirclan. Taim ag siúl. Is mailam an clár sin.
Cuid bí.
Imrim leadóg. Fécham a telefís. Imrim pel. Éistim le caol. Taim go dtí an fictorlan. Taim go dtí an áirclan. Taim ag siúl. Is mailam an clár sin.
Agus sin Rannóg go trí leathan agus caol, an difríocht idir an dá uaim leathan agus caol, and the difference between the two sounds broad and slender L. Tá na nótaí agus biló go oibre le fáil in éineacht le cóid fuaimeanna agus nasca na cuisle suíomh lúscartaí. The lecture notes and worksheets to accompany the course, along with the MP3 files and Quizlet links, this is a flashcard website, are available. The original files are available to download at Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge, teg.ie, or edited versions can be found at my website, simplyjacintha.com. Direct link is in the description box below. Míle buíochas do Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge as cead a thabhairt dom úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil ar a suíomh. Many thanks to Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge for their information to use, the learning materials and resources that are available on their website. Tásúlgam gur bhain sibh tanamh as. I hope you enjoyed it and got some use out of it. If you did, like and subscribe and share with your friends who may be interested in learning Irish.